Hello student, now here is some formulas of Faraday first law. You know the first formula, W is directly proportional to Q, and Q is what? W IT. Q is equals to ampere into time. Okay, and the proportional sign just convert to ZIT, and Z is what? Electrochemical equivalent constant. Electrovalent equivalent constant. Okay, this is what? Electrochemical equivalent constant. Electrochemical equivalent constant. This is the first formula. Okay, you know very well. Now suppose there's a lots of numerical is based on the formula. Now what is a Z? Z is electrochemical equivalent. This is a formula. Z is equals to what? E upon 96,500. Yeah, Z is equals to E upon 96,500. Then we apply W is equals to E upon 96,500 into IT. So this is the second formula. Suppose in the question, in the numerical, equivalent is given, and you know very well equivalent mass, this is equivalent mass, is equals to what? Molecular mass upon n factor. N factor is what? Valency or है ना? Okay, so now we again apply W is equals to molecular mass upon into IT upon 96,500 into n factor. It means this is valency. So this is the second formula. देखो first formula, second formula, and this is third formula. Okay, you know very well mass upon molar mass is what? Number of moles. So again we apply, this comes to this. So W is equals to W upon M. M means molar mass. IT upon 96,500 into NF. Just convert mass upon molar mass is just convert to what? N moles. I into T upon 96,500 into n factor. This is our fourth formula. Clear? Now in this case, number of moles is inversely proportional to n factor. So number of moles is what? Suppose you have a reaction, chemical reaction, there is a anode and cathode reaction. So suppose n cathode is inversely proportional to n factor of, मतलब उसकी वैलेंसी का, कैथोड की वैलेंसी का n factor. तो n anode again it's inversely proportional to n factor of anode. It means n cathode upon n anode is equals to n factor of anode upon n factor of cathode. This is just inversely proportional. So now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5 formula of Faraday first law. Okay. So just you read, just you find. And now this very important thing. And after that, this Faraday first law, this very important volume of gas at STP. Just you learned that volume of gas at STP. This is also topic of class 9. Is what? N number of moles into 22.4 liter. So this is also very important formula. All formulas are based on the Faraday first law. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 formula is based on the Faraday first law. Okay student? Clear? Okay.